This tutorial will guide you through on how to add video motion to your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have your video clip or clips in Adobe Premiere Pro CC selected and highlighted on your video timeline. Go to the top left hand screen and click Effects Control. If you do not have this option, you want to click on the top left hand screen and scroll to the right and click Window next to Help and View and scroll down until you see the option Effect Controls. In this case, it should be checked and selected. Now re-click on your video clip on the timeline and go back to the top left hand screen and click Effect Controls. And then scroll to the left and click Motion. As you can see, it's now selected our video clip on the program window. And if you want to add motion, there's a couple ways you can do this. Click Position and Scale so it adds a keyframe. Go to the part of the video you would like to change or add motion. In this case, make sure that the motion is still selected and highlighted. Underneath Scale, we're going to drag this to the right and then drag the position to the left or right according to your will and your desire. Go back to the beginning of the video clip and you have successfully added motion in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.